Today I'm gonna attempt to do slime underwater. I'm so excited to see if I'm going to be able to make them, so let's get started. So here I have my tank, and this is where I'm going to try to make the slime underwater. Now, as you can tell, it's obviously empty, so let's fill it up with water. To add a little bit more. Alright you guys, we have the tank ready filled with water. And I even put some aquarium bits on the floor to complete this whole underwater theme. So now let's try to make slime underwater. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to start by submerging the container that I'm going to use to mix everything. And I think this is a great size because we're not going to make a lot of slime. Well, only if this works. Okay, so now this is the glue that I'll be using to make the glitter slime. I love this glitter glue so much because the slime always works. So let's see if this also works even if it is underwater. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, there's too much air and water inside the glue container that it doesn't let me pour the glue out. I'm gonna try to do this slowly and using a lot of pressure, and let's see if that works. Okay, so I think we are okay with that amount of glue, so now let's add borax. In a small container I have ready my borax solution, but since we're working underwater, I added a lot of borax, so I hope it works. Now I'm going to mix it very quickly. Oh my god, I think it's working! Guys, I'm so shook! It worked better than I thought! Oh my god, I can't believe we did slime underwater! And just look at it, it's so cool! Now that it's not underwater anymore, it feels kinda hard because I used too much borax in my activator, but I think that doesn't matter because at the end this worked. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Now let's make another slime. Since we are making underwater slime, I want to do a slime that looks kinda like a jellyfish. Can you guys imagine that? Oh my god, if this works, it's going to look amazing. I hope it works. So here I'm submerging again my mixing bowl, which I'll be using the same as the past slime. And to try to recreate that jellyfish look, I'll be using this pale yellow glow-in-the-dark glue. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this glue has a completely different consistency and texture than the other glitter glue. I really don't know how to describe it. It kinda looks hazy. Oh my god, that's so weird. I'm having the same issues again. I think at this point, the best is to press firmly and then stick the glue outside the tank to let all the air and water out and repeat again. I don't know, you guys, I'm not sure that this slime is going to work. It feels like if it is dissolving already. Okay, I'm going to add a lot of borax. Oh my god, wish me luck. See, it kinda looks weird, but believe it or not, I think this is working, guys. Oh my god, the more I play with it, the more slimy it gets. It's kinda stringy, but it's working. I'm still shook that we can make slime underwater. Imagine making slime at the beach. Wow, that will be so cool. Here you can see better how this is full of glitter. I played with the slime a couple minutes before filming this scene, and as you can tell, now it has the right consistency and I love it. Now let's turn all the lights off to see if it glows underwater like a real jellyfish. Oh my god, it does! You guys cannot say that this isn't amazing. It totally looks like a jellyfish. I love this slime. Okay, so now I wanna do another one. Let's try that again. Okay, we have done 2 slimes successfully using glitter glue. Now let's make fluffy slime. I just cleaned all the residue on the bowl from the last slime, and now let's start. To make the fluffy slime, I guess that I will start with the basic white glue. What is happening? This is more water than I thought. Why? This is so liquidy. Oh my god, no, there's glue everywhere. And now the water is all foggy. You guys cannot see anything. What? I'm shook. Even though the glue is everywhere, I'm still going to add borax to see if this can fix anything. No, bye. This was a complete fail. Look at it, it's just straight up water. I'm so sad. I had high hopes for this slime. Now you guys know that you cannot make slime underwater using just the basic white Elmer's glue, just with the ones with glitter, I guess. Well guys, that's it for today's video, and I had so much fun filming it. If you want me to make more slimes underwater, let me know by giving this video a huge thumbs up. If you want to see more slime videos, I have a playlist with all my favorite recipes down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!